Hey, check this out. I have a dummy smoke detector security camera. So this is basically spying on people at your home. Let's see how this thing really works. Dummy smoke detector security camera can be found in Amazon for around $120. First, let's do unboxing. First thing you should do is charge the smoke detector camera. It comes with a charging USB cable and start charging. The manual says that you should start charging 24 hours when you're first charging for the first time. The camera comes with 32 gigabytes SD card, so go ahead and put that in there. You could also put bigger card and it takes up to 64 gigabytes. Now download the app, go to the App Store and search for WiEye and open the app. Now you need to turn on the smoke detector camera and you will see a blinking red light. Click plus sign to add new device and choose smart smoke detector. Click add new device. Make sure the red light is blinking. Now scan the barcode in the back of the camera. Click allow. You need to put the home Wi-Fi information. Here you create a new password for your camera. Now it's all done. Now put a name of the camera. I'm gonna put bedroom. Now it's all done. Go and click on the big square. You will see the camera working. Now next step is to find a place to put this camera. On the main page, you could see your camera. If you want to, you could add more cameras here by clicking on the plus sign on the top corner of the screen. On the bottom, you see a couple menus. Do not disturb stops the alerts from popping up. And then detection is a motion detection setup. You could change the different type of motion detection setup, change the sensitivity and duration of the video. On this example, the video only records when there's a motion detection and it records for 20 seconds and stops. Also, you could set up a motion detection timer on it and tell it to when to stop and start. The play button is when you can see the recorded videos. You go to different dates and then click on the video on the bottom to see the video. And there's a setting menu. There's also another motion detection settings there, mirror and flip setting. There's audio and night light control setting. And you could share your device with your friends or family. If you click on the camera, you could see the live view. On top, it shows you the battery life of the camera and if it's connected to the Wi-Fi or not. And on the bottom, there's a different control settings. Here, you could record the video and put it on your phone. And the second one, you could talk through the camera, but not all the model has this feature. And then you could listen into the conversation from the microphone on the camera, and you could take a snapshot and put it in your phone. And if you flip horizontally, you could watch the video horizontally. If you click on top left corner, there's more options there. Here on message, you could look at all the alert messages. And in the album, you can look at all the photos and video that you saved on to your phone. So the smoke detector is all set up and ready to go. Setting up is very easy, but the hard part is to find the place to put it. Only bad thing about this camera is that you can't really adjust the angle of the camera. So you have to find the right spot so you can see whatever you want to see. Here is my regular smoke detector. When you compare side by side, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty real. The whole idea of the smoke detector camera is that it has to be pretty discreet. You have to look like regular smoke detector in your home. So best way to do this is walk around the room with the camera, with the phone, and see where is the right place to put it and see what it looks like on the wall. You could either put it on the ceiling like this, or you could put it on the wall. So you have to find the right spot. There's a two-way to mount this camera. If you turn the back of the camera, you could take out the back plate by turning it. Now you can screw down the back plate with the screw that comes with it to mount the camera. One of the easier way to mount the camera is to use a sticky pad. Comes in the box. My recommendation is to use a sticky pad first to find the spot that you like, and then when you like the spot, you can use a screw to mount it permanently. The sticky pad is actually a Velcro too. So my smoke detector camera is mounted. Here is my real smoke detector and here is the fake smoke detector. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, one of the problems that it has, you can't really adjust the angle of the camera. So you have to kind of figure out where you want to put it and get the right angle of the camera. If you decide to save the video footage from the camera, you could take out the SD card and put it into this USB SD card reader that comes in a box and plug into your PC. As you can see, all the videos are organized by the year and the date. And it is recorded in an AVI file. And you can drag into your computer to save these video files. Yeah, so smoke detector camera is pretty cool. I'll put all the information you need down below in the description, so go and check it out. Thanks for watching.